Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I will show you in this video so beautiful and stylish trendy ideas of pixie haircut with beautiful bang ideas. Today's in my collection different and many much more ideas of bang. Today I will show you in this video how to your look change with bangs. You look younger, you look elder, and you look cute and so sweet. So I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. Many much more ideas of pixie haircut with bang. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut, and some ideas choppy haircut in pixie, notching haircut in pixie, and very beautiful many much more ideas of bang. Chin length bang, nose length bang, too short bang, and wavy curly bang ideas, and thick bang, thin bang, one side bang, two-sided bang, and so beautiful cute ideas of hair dye, blonde hair dye, different shade of blonde, lighty blonde, dark blonde, dazzling blonde, gold blonde, ash blonde. Some ideas with dark base color, some ideas in light base color, and other shade of dye, burgundy color, black color, grey color, funky colors, and beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, some ideas in funky colors, and so beautiful collection of hairstyling. Some ideas in fine hairstyle with long bang, wavy curly hairstyle with short bang, and so beautiful collection of spiky hairstyles, beautiful spike with too short bang, and most popular trendy ideas of messy hairstyle with different ideas of bang, chin length bang and nose length bang and too short bang and one side bang, two-sided bang, and so beautiful over collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very cute, and you look very sweet, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support or help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.